Welcome. If you've been wondering why some notifications aren't showing up from people who use the default profile photo on X, also known as Twitter, this video will walk you through the quick and easy way to fix it on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Once it's open, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options there, including Home, Explore, Messages, and more. Click on Notifications. This is where you'll manage all the updates and interactions that come your way on the platform. When you're in the Notifications section, look up at the top right corner and select Settings. This will open your notification preferences. You'll notice a few different options here. Focus on Filters. Click on it to open more settings that control what types of notifications appear in your feed. Inside Filters, find the option called Muted Notifications. This area allows you to decide what kind of accounts X filters out from your notifications by default. You may see boxes checked next to different categories of users, such as those who don't follow you or haven't confirmed their email. One of those options is who have a default profile photo. If this box is checked, it means you're automatically muting notifications from accounts without a custom profile picture. To start receiving them again, simply click the checkbox to uncheck it. Once that's done, those notifications will no longer be muted. That's all it takes. You've successfully unmuted notifications from users who still have the default profile photo. Now you'll see every mention, reply, and message from those accounts right in your notifications feed. This simple update ensures you're not missing any activity or interactions, even from new users who haven't yet customized their profile. So go ahead, check your settings, and stay connected to every conversation happening around you on X.